What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nick, owner of Genesis Detailing. Today we're at our shop in San Diego, and I don't know if you guys met me before, but I've been posting YouTube videos for a while now. We took a break to kind of regroup and get the business up and running, but we're getting back to it and trying to be consistent for you guys. We'll be doing like weekly uploads about business vlogs, about detailing and how-tos, some lifestyle stuff, going to car shows, maybe going to the desert, and just getting you guys back into a groove with us. And yeah, as you can see, we got a beautiful 430 Scuderia behind us. This car has full matte PPF on it, and we're just doing our silver package, which is going to be a full detail to the exterior, hand wash, hit the wheels, inside the wheel barrels, scrub out the tires, and then interior, we're going to scrub all the leather. Take a look inside of this thing. Full carbon door panels, so we're going to get those protected for this client. And then yeah, it's pretty dirty in there, so clean up the floorboards. These aren't floor mats, like you can't even get rid of these, so we just got to vacuum as we go and wipe it down safely without scratching it. Today's video is going to give you an update of Genesis Detailing coming into 2025. We're already in the second month and time is flying. We have a lot of big goals and kind of new things that we're adding on to the shop services, such as powder coating wheels, PPF, window tint, all the stuff that we have a decent network in San Diego. So whatever you guys need, we can bring our team into our shop, get it done for you guys, and then kind of show you some of the projects that we have in the shop as well. It is about 10:30 right now. I have a car inside that I get to polish up by noon. I just have one more door left before I can take it over to the PPF shop. So right now, kind of give you a little walkthrough of the shop. The new space that we have, we took over the whole space, so no more subtenants. So now we can utilize the full facility. Yeah, come with us. Obviously, this beautiful Aventador SV already has full body PPF on it. That one's just doing like a little silver detail as well. Touch up on some PPF. We have this Ram 2500 Power Wagon. We're doing a lot of overspray removal. He got his house painted, so if you feel the paint, I mean, you can hear it. It's really, really rough. So we're gonna have to do a full clay bar to this thing, chemical remove all the paint, overspray, do a paint correction, and then get it protected as well. While the guys get this thing pulled into the shop. So this is the facility. We have a lot of cool cars in here. Kind of walk through, give you guys an idea of what we're doing to the cars. And yeah, hopefully see you guys in the shop soon too. So we have this Ferrari 458 Speciale behind us. What we're doing to this is a gold detail. Being that it has matte paint, we don't want to clay bar it, but we will get it protected. And then main focus is on the interior of this thing. Scrub the leather down, all the floorboards, we're gonna clean and condition it. But most importantly, it's got these little anti-glare screens. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick that up on camera, but they look pretty damaged. The customer wants us to polish the anti-glare off, which is something I've never done. I'm confident I could do it. That's what we do at Genesis, of course, is do things that other people can't. So we're gonna polish the screens, get the smudging off, and we'll put some clips of what it looks like so you can kind of see as well. This car is phenomenal. It's a Speciale, meaning it's a special edition 458, factory painted stripes on it. They just put an exhaust on it as well, so it sounds amazing. And then we have to get this thing cleaned up so it can get delivered tomorrow, which is Saturday. Next project is going to be this Porsche Cayenne Turbo, brand new. It's got 400 miles on it, straight from the dealership. Paint's in pretty rough condition, so we want to polish the paint and then install our Modesta ceramic coating. We are doing a 5-year coating. This client is also on our mobile maintenance program, so this thing will always look good. And shocking, the paint is in pretty bad condition. Lots and lots of like micro swirls on it. That's not how a new car should get delivered. So we'll get that looking proper and then delivered back to the customer hopefully on Monday. And then up next, this one's already been polished, but this brand new M4 had a lot of chemical stains on it. It had like these, it almost looks like the guys at the dealership, when they wash the car with non-spotless water, they just dry it with a chamois, and it kind of didn't, it wasn't DI water, so it left a lot of marks. And to kind of give you an idea of what's left is like around the windows, only parts we have left. So around the windows, we got to polish the glass, polish the wheels. We're polishing everything before we install our coating on that as well. And then last but not least for the day, this is the project I have to finish up before noon. And this is a Ferrari GTC 4 Lusso. I have already paint corrected the whole car. I got this one door left, and then we are going to finish off the PPF. So it has full front PPF already. We're going to touch that up, polish off any bug stains, and then obviously finish PPFing the rest of the car once it's polished. Being that we have so much space in the shop now, things are different. Like, I'm excited because we have different bays now of where we can do the cars. We're building some workstations behind each car. We're going to put bay numbers. So this side is going to have 4 cars if we're busy, but typically it will only have 3. 3 so we can open both car doors at the same time, because that's where we're going to do all the full details and paint correction. And then once the cars are done, they can move on to this side of the shop, which we recently took over this year, to where we can do all the ceramic coating. So we're going to install more of these lights, 3 rows. So this is only 2 right now. We're going to put 3 in series and then 5 rows of 3. So this side will look pretty crazy. We're going to wrap the walls, put our logos some places, and then install more wall lights to do like the ceramic coatings. And then here where the other shockingly 458 Speciale, like these cars are already rare. We're blessed to have 2 in our shop right now, but this one is already done. It just needs to get a final wipe down before delivery. This is where the cars that are done will be parked. So just to kind of show you guys what we're doing to this car, give you a better example. So if you look with this light bulb, all these swirls and scratches, I don't know what happened to this car, but that's what we're here to fix. This is the only panel I have left to polishing. If you want to show them this quarter panel, this is what the after results look like. And we'll obviously show you an after video of what that door will look like, but this is fully polished and corrected. That's how the whole car should look. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to start polishing this door so we can take it over to our buddy's shop to finish the PPF. So we'll catch you guys in a second. Alright guys, so we're done polishing this door. We completed the whole section with just compound. But once I wipe this off, you can kind of see what the final result looks like. And again, this is just after a heavy compound, so there might be some haze left behind that will come out with the final polish to jewel it up. But all those deep scratches are gone. Takes about 30 to 40 minutes to do that, and now this door is finished. Now we can move on, hit it with some spray wax before we get some PPF, just to keep it protected just in case anything falls onto it, such as bird poop. We don't want this raw clear coat to be fully exposed, so we'll do that real quick, take it up to the shop, and then pick up another car for you guys.
I got clients tomorrow.
Alright, so we're going to take the 430 up to one of our buddies' shops to touch up some of the PPF before the customer picks it up tomorrow morning. He does have a car show to go to in the morning, so want to get dialed in. That's why we did a full detail. But yeah, we got a couple of areas to touch up, like around the vents here. Just a quick little trim back, get it to stick back down. Alright, as we mentioned on this 458, we are going to polish the anti-glare off the display. So it's got this weird like matte finish on it, but the previous detailer stained it and we can't get it to come off. So we are going to use our little micro polishing pad and some compound. We're going to polish it. Wouldn't try doing this at home, but again, we'll show you the before and afters what it currently looks like, what it's going to look like during the process, and then after. My guess is that it's going to look ugly before it looks pretty, but yeah, we'll get some shots of it and show you guys what we're using. So right now we got Rupes Uno 1. This is like a ultra fine polish on a very soft pad. Come on into the car, take a seat, get some lights on. Where's my work light? Oh, handy dandy scan grip. Try not to get the carpets dirty because the inside just got detailed. Yeah, so see how glared that is? It's like blotchy. This one's way worse on this side. So I want to put a little bit of product on our pad and then just give it a nice little polish by hand. And we're just going to watch what it does. Make sure we don't take too much off and stain it even worse. Let's start with the worst side first. And I could put this on our little machine, our little 1-inch polisher as well. But we'll start with the least aggressive method first, which is by hand. So far, so good. It is not getting the corners out, but it is making it 100% better though. That glare that you're seeing is just the product left behind. Don't try this at home, kids. This is not something you want to just gamble with. I've done it before, so we're helping this client out, saving him thousands of dollars by not having to replace this. Like I said, it's what we do here at Genesis, buffing off the compound. I don't know, you tell me. That's a lot better. I want to hold it here. It's a lot better than what it was. This side wasn't as bad, but again, look at that. Probably the light in there. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Give me a like and subscribe if you guys like this video. Shoot down some comments of what you guys want to see in the next week's video. But see you guys next time. See ya.